How we can change paper size in Word app from mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can change paper size in Word application in mobile. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Word application in the mobile. Tap on plus icon from the top right corner and then you can create a blank document. Once you're here, tap on the pencil icon with an A at the top of this interface. So after you're here, again tap on the home drop down as you can see on this interface. Here tap on layout. Once you're on the layout, there is a size option. Tap on size and from here you can choose the size of the paper that you wish in your Word file. So according to your preferences, choose a size. You can go with A4, A3, legal or A5. For example, I will go with A4. And in this way the size has been now changed. So that's how we can change paper size in Word application. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.